Caribbean animals are surprisingly well adapted to endure such extreme weather. Extra-large footpaths help them handle in winds of 200 kilometers per hour. But this storm is still building, makes all the creatures fret their mercy. Ik tror de sexy där the methlate right chamon chinnas. Zaf watar this erkton. With over 15 tropical storms battering the Caribbean each year, paradise can quickly turn into hell. The hummingbird's chicks have been swept away. She must start all over again before the next storm hits.
If you like more video like this, please like and subscribe my channel.